Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and today we're featuring YWigs. We're doing a quick weave. Now get into these bundles. Texture, amazing. I have this in 3 inches. I have this in 18, a bundle of 18, 20, and 22. I'm just showing you what the bundles look like straight out of the package. All links and details will be down below. The 2 braids in the front are going to be leave out. I'm doing this in a removable quick weave way. Now typically I would use pump it up spray, but my pump it up was clogged, so I went with the Kiss lace spray, and it did work really well. So I'm using wrapping strips to protect my hair from the glue, and I will be using 2 wig caps, and my color choice is black because it is just seamless and camouflages easily when it comes to quick weave. So I am going to spray the top with the lace spray once again, just to get it nice and tacky, and also to seal that in with the wrapping strips so my natural hair is completely protected. So that is my leave out that's in the front, so there will be no glue there. Here I'm measuring the wefts from one side to another. I will be going in a horseshoe pattern starting from the nape, and that first track I'm sure to put it down not just on the edge of the cap but on my scalp. That is basically my anchor track to keep everything down and stationary. So as I move up, I'm going to continue the horseshoe placement till we get to the very top. This is a very beginner friendly quick weave method. I have minimal leave out, and I will style my leave out in a very easy way, but there are multiple ways to style your leave out with this texture, and I'll get into that as we get further into the video. I will be showing you how far I get with each bundle, like showing you how 1 bundle, 2 bundle, 3 bundles fill this up. So this is 1 complete bundle. This is my 22-inch bundle completely glued down. Now I'm moving on to my 20-inch bundle, and I'm going to continue the same thing: cut, measure, cut, glue, and tack down. Now if you really want to save time, you can pre-measure your wefts and pre-cut them, so all you have to do is glue and lay. It does speed up the process, but me doing this right now, I didn't feel the need to do that. So here I'm continuing on with that second bundle. So now I'm going to move on to the third bundle, and I love the way this is coming out. It just looks so good. The hair texture is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm continuing on with the horseshoe placement, but as I get closer to the top, I lay them a little differently just to close off that section before I start to lay them differently for the top. So this is the third bundle, and this is how far I got with the 2 bundles. So if you are someone who prefers less of a density, you can definitely get away with a 2 bundle quick weave. You just have to space your tracks out. So here is where I start to lay them a little different to approach the front, where I lay my tracks for the flip over. So if you're familiar with the invisible part, it's very similar in the way I lay the tracks, and what that does is it gives me versatility with styling. So as you can see here, I'm laying these pieces straight back, and they are laid very, very close to each other. That way I can flip them over, and it's seamless and flush with my leave out. So this section, I highly suggest you pre-cut your pieces. That way you can speed up that process, because these little pieces are kind of tedious to stop and glue. Also, another suggestion is you want to make sure that with these pieces, not only is it glued down to the cap, but you have just a little bit glued to the scalp right in the front. That is going to also ensure that your cap stays in place. Now, mind you, in the beginning of this video, I did mention that this is a removable quick weave tutorial. Now with that, I can remove this whenever I want. With a little bit of water, it's gone. But if you're someone who wants to wear this for an extended period of time, all you have to do is sew down the perimeter of your cap. And then when you're ready to take it down, you just undo the threads like you would do a sew-in. So here, as you can see, I'm finishing up and I'm closing up that little part right there. I used most of my hair. I had very little hair left over. I will show you what was left over, but this is a super full install, and this color is gorgeous. Look at this, just so pretty. So now you can use the blow dryer on a cool setting. That will help speed up the drying process, but I decided to go without the blow dryer. I didn't need it because everything adhered really well. So this is what it looks like all done. Love this curl pattern. So what I will do next is I'm going to take down my leave out, which are those two little braids in the front. Now, as far as styling, oh, this is, I'm showing you what's left over. That is all that's left over from the 3 bundles. Now here I am starting to wet the hair down. I put very little product in there and I used a curl defining brush to brush through the hair. I didn't wet down the top of the hair because I just love that big poofy look on the top. It does it for me. Absolutely love it. But I am going to work some water and product in the rest of the hair. Now back to styling the leave out. If you want, you can do the whole product in your leave out and blend it in with this curl pattern. Also, you can take a super tiny wand curl. I have a chopstick wand curl, which is going to give you the thinnest, smallest curls. You can take pieces of your leave out and curl it with the extensions. I decided to just leave my hair as is because I didn't wet down the top. I didn't need to wet down my leave out. But what I did do was I took a weft and I glued it in between my leave out. And the only reason I did that was for the color. Like if this was a darker color hair, I probably would have just left it as is, but I needed something right in the middle there. So you will see me take a weft and glue that in. But that is really it. Like I'm loving this look. YWigs is running the game when it comes to all these hair textures and colors. Definitely check the link in the description box if you are interested and let me know what you think about this quick weave. Would you rock this? Is it too much hair or is it just enough? I'm obsessed. Between the color and the texture, it's just giving everything that I need for the summer. So big shout out to YWigs for sponsoring today's video. Big thank you to you guys for clicking on another video. Don't forget to check out my playlist and my other quick weave videos. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.